Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ganesan G, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. This video lecture series is developed for the subject code 23 ITB 201 Design and Analysis of Algorithms for second year, fourth semester, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Computer Science Engineering, and Information Technology students. In today's video session, we are going to understand about the binary tree in data structures and algorithms. So, what is binary tree? What they are, how they are working, how binary trees are used to solve the problems. By the end of this video, you will be able to completely understand about binary tree and its various operations. Let's start the session. Here, the diagram is given, is called as a tree. A is a root, that means it's a top of the tree. It's also called as a root. Then B and C are children of root A. B and C are called as children of A. So A is a parent and also a special name is called as a root. Likewise, D and E are children of B. F, G, H are children of C. I, J are children of D. K are E. Look like it's a tree structure from top to bottom. The tree grows from top to bottom. This structure is a tree. So a very small difference is there. Each node has a maximum of 2 child nodes is called as a binary tree. Then what is the difference between the real natural tree and a tree in data structures? We know that trees are living plants around us. So trees are roots at the bottom and it grows from the root upward direction. It's a normal natural tree. Unlike natural trees, in data structure or algorithms, trees is not a real natural trees, but it is the way to arrange the records or data or numbers or any specific things in data structures. So trees in data structures are really the abstract of hierarchical in nature. What is mean by hierarchical? Either from top to bottom or bottom to top. So top to bottom means is a top to bottom approach here, and one more thing, bottom to top approach is there. So in natural trees, it grows from bottom of the tree, that's called as a root, but in data structure, roots are the top. Here A is the top element of the tree, so it's called as a root node. So a root node has children but no parents. Have you understand what is the real What is the natural tree and a tree in binary data structure? Yes. So likewise, trees are leaves, stems and branches. Here also the trees are number of nodes. Nodes means it's a children's. B, C, D, F, G, H, I are also called as nodes or children's of some other nodes. Then edges also, the edges are connections connecting the nodes, one node to another node is called as edges. So like natural tree, trees in data structures also many nodes and edges. What is the terminology is used for a tree in data structure? So there are number of nodes in a tree. One specialized node is placed at the top of the tree. That node is called as a root node. So all the tree starts from the root node because it has no parent. So all other nodes has its parents. So likewise all nodes has at least a child node, one or two child nodes. A node has one, two or more than two child are called as a tree. But binary tree means a node has 0, 1 or maximum of two nodes. So binary means 2. So a node has the maximum of two nodes are called as binary trees. So at the same time, the last node is also called as leaf node, has no child. So the top of the node is called as root, has no parent. All the remaining nodes has some children. The maximum number of children are 2 means is a binary tree. The height of the binary tree means the maximum depth of any node from the top. So an example is given, the tree structure. At the top of the tree, one node is called as a root node. The root node has two children and each children has two more children. The likewise all the children has maximum of two children. So this is called as a tree and also a binary tree. Exactly two children. So what are the terminologies used in this tree data structure? So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, the number of nodes are there. So A has no parent. So A is a root node. So A has B, C and D of the child. B has E and F their child. D has G, H, I is their child. Likewise, C has no child. Understand? So the height 2 means, so starts the root node is called as 0 level. Then B, C, D, the level is equal to 1. And E, F, G, H, I are levels 2. So levels are here 2, 0, 1, 2. So level starts from 0 at the root. How many nodes are there in 0 level? We know that only one node, root node in 0 level. Here level 1 there are 3 nodes are there, level 2 there are 5 nodes are there. So here D is called as parent of GHI and B is a parent of E and F. Likewise, A is a grandparent of E and F. So what are binary trees? So trees are any nodes as their children. But binary tree has no children or one children or at least at the maximum of two children is called as binary. Binary means a two. So a node has zero children or one children or maximum of two children. This type of tree is called as binary tree. So what are the main characteristics of binary tree? So all binary tree has a root pointer at the top. So the binary tree starts from the top. No binary tree can be empty. So at least one node is there. It's compulsory. Already we know that the top of the node is called as root node. The remaining nodes are called as subtrees or children of the root nodes. So an example is given here. Right side, the real data trees in data structure full tree and a complete tree. What is the difference here? Check that the top node, root node, has two children and the left node has two children, right node has no children. So this is called as full tree. Then one more tree, complete tree. What do you mean by complete tree? All node has exactly two child. Yes, so this type of tree is called as complete binary tree. All the nodes has exactly two children are called as complete tree. Then what are the characteristics of binary tree? So all binary trees has n number of nodes and n minus 1 number of edges. What is mean by edges? These are the branches or to connect the nodes. There are n minus 1 edges there. All the nodes in the tree except the root node has only one parent, the maximum of two children. There are also exactly one path that connecting the nodes of the tree. Each node is connected with other node with exactly one path, only one path. So the height of the tree is 2 power k plus 1, where k is not equal to at least a minimum one element is there. So the levels or levels of height of tree is 2 power k plus 1 minus. What are the need of binary tree? With the help of binary tree, what we perform? So we perform the searching, inserting a new element in a tree, deleting an existing node in a tree, and also a traversal of tree in order, postorder and preorder traversals. In this video session, we only learn how to search the elements present in a binary tree. So consider k is the element we want to search from the tree. So x be the root node. We compare our element with the root node. If both the elements are same, the searching is over. Otherwise, we compare the child elements from the searching element. If our searching element is greater than the root node, we go for right side of the root node. If our searching element is smaller than the root element, we go for left side. So again we search repeatedly up to we get the searching element. Here there are number of nodes are there, 6, 2, 1, 4, 8, 9. So we want to search find the element 4 in the tree, first we compare a 4 with the root element 6. So our searching element 4 is smaller than the root element 6. So what will happen? We will go for left side of the root tree. Suppose sometimes our searching element is greater than the root element, we go for right side. Now here we are having k is equal to 4. So this 4 is smaller than the root element 6. So we choose the left side of the root node. So what's element is there? 2 is there. So now we compare the element searching element 4 with the 2. So what is now? The root element 2 is smaller than our searching element. What will do now? So now we go for right side of the root element, because the root element is smaller than the searching element. We go for right side. Now we go for the right side of 2. What is there? 4 is there. Yeah, we will get the result. We will find our searching element 4 there. Okay, if that our searching element is greater than the root element, we will go for right side. If the searching element is smaller than the root element, we go for left side of the tree. So at last we will get the 4 at the right side of the 2. So likewise, you construct a binary tree for a given problem and also find how to search the particular element is present or not in the binary tree, and also try to insert a new element in a binary tree, and also try to delete one element from the existing binary tree. This is your assessment test. I am also attached here for textbooks. If you have any doubt, just refer the books mentioned here for your reference books or textbooks also. That's all in the sessions is over. I think you are fully understood the concept of tree and binary tree. If you found this video is helpful, just like the video and share with your friends. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel for any further updates. Thank you all. Good night.